Hello and welcome to Dr. Anima Upadhyay's Chemistry in Technology and Chemistry Lab videos. In today's video, we will learn about the determination of flesh and fire point using Pensky Marten closed cup apparatus. In my previous video, I have explained to you the determination of flesh and fire point using Abel's closed cup apparatus. So in this video, I will first explain to you the construction and working of the Pensky Marten apparatus and how it is used for the determination of flesh and fire point of a given test lubricating oil. Also, we will discuss about the differences between the two closed cup apparatus. But before I start this video, I would like you to please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it so far. So let's begin with the Pensky Marten closed cup apparatus for the determination of flesh and fire point of a given lubricating oil as test sample. So here in this figure you can see the actual image of the Pensky Marten apparatus. How does it look like? So here is a dome-shaped stainless steel body which is provided with a cavity on the top of this dome-shaped body in which fits a brass cup of about 5 cm in diameter and 5.5 cm in depth. And this brass cup is heated directly with the help of electric heater which is kept inside this cast iron case. This brass cup is provided with 4 openings. The first opening is for the insertion of a thermometer to record the temperature in degree centigrade. The second opening is to insert a mechanical stirrer which is provided with a long spring-like thread to stir this lubricating oil kept in the brass cup so that the temperature of the oil remains uniform throughout. The third opening is provided with a shutter which can be opened and closed with the help of this wooden handle. And the fourth opening is for the inlet of the air so that the flame can burn only that much quantity of air is allowed. So all these 4 openings are on the lid of the brass cup. So the brass cup is closed with a lid provided with these 4 openings of standard dimensions. The flame device is manufactured in a way that when the shutter is opened with the help of the wooden handle, the device containing the flame tilts down on the opening of the surface of the oil, that is in the mouth of the brass cup. Now let's see whatever I have explained to you more clearly with the help of this diagram. So this is the brass cup that I have explained to you, which is kept here. This is the brass cup which is kept here. The diameter is 5 centimeter and the depth is 5.5 centimeter. Here is the thermometer to record the temperature. This is the mechanical stirrer provided with the long string. This you can see here in the actual image, and the wooden handle that is called the shutter control, which can be slided to bring the flame down on the mouth of the brass cup containing the heated oil, and this brass cup is kept on the electric heater, which is kept inside this cast iron case. Now let's see how the apparatus works. So the oil which is given to us, provided to us as the test sample, is taken in the brass cup. Thermometer is inserted in the brass cup and the lid is closed. The thermometer, the stirrer is provided with the apparatus. The heater is switched on and the stirring is started with around 60 revolutions per minute. And this is mechanical stirrer. So we have to continuously rotate the stirrer. The heating rate is kept around 5 to 6 degrees centigrade rise in temperature per minute. When the temperature reaches around 50 degrees centigrade, a flame is brought near the mouth of the brass cup by opening the shutter, and the flash point is checked. If it reaches the flash point, which is shown by a small spark with a click sound, it is recorded in the observation table, and from here onwards the temperature for determination of fire point is continued for every 5 to 6 degrees rise in temperature. The oil is heated till the fire point is reached, and it is recorded in the same way as we have recorded the flash point. So in the observation table, I have shown you how to record the flash and fire point. It's very similar to the one I have explained to you in the determination of flash and fire point in my Abel's apparatus video, and how the results should be recorded also I have explained here. So we started recording the temperature from 40 degrees centigrade, and for every 5 degrees centigrade rise in temperature, the shutter was opened and the flame was brought near to the opening of the mouth of the brass cup, and the flash point was recorded. Further, the temperature was increased till the fire point was reached, and the fire point is recorded at 80 degrees centigrade, where a flame was seen burning for at least 5 seconds. So what precautions should be taken while working on this apparatus are almost the same as the precautions which I have explained to you in my previous video on the working and determination of flash and fire point using Abel's apparatus, that the shutter should be opened at regular intervals and should be closed immediately. There should not be any wind to remove the or displace the vapors coming out from the oil. So these two important precautions are same as the Abel's apparatus, and they should be taken care of. Now let's discuss the differences between the Abel's and the Pensky Marten apparatus. So here I have given you the images also for Abel's apparatus and for Pensky Marten apparatus. So you can see that Abel's apparatus is an indirectly heating apparatus using the water bath. Whereas the Pensky Marten apparatus is a directly heating apparatus where the oil in the brass cup is kept directly on the electric heater. The Abel's apparatus works efficiently for the lubricating oils whose flash point is below 50 degrees centigrade and the fire point is not higher than 75 degree centigrade. That is, it works for those test samples of lubricating oil where the flash and fire point is in the range of 50 to 75 degrees centigrade. Whereas the Pensky Marten apparatus can be used for lubricating oils having high flash and fire point. The flash point above 50 degrees centigrade and the fire point in the range of 75 to 120 degrees centigrade can be measured successfully because it is a directly heating apparatus. The rate of heating in the Abel's apparatus should be maintained at around 1 to 2 degrees centigrade per minute rise in temperature. Whereas in the Pensky Marten apparatus, it should be maintained around 5 to 6 degrees centigrade per minute rise in temperature. The stirrer and the shutter opener in the Abel's apparatus is very close to the apparatus. Whereas in the Pensky Marten apparatus, the stirrer is provided with a long string attached to the stirrer and the shutter opener is also provided with a long wooden handle. This is for the stirrer, this is for the shutter opener. So, why this is provided with long handle here, with a long string for the stirrer? Because this is a directly heating apparatus and it is very hot, this stainless steel body. So, we should be away from this apparatus while working on it. These precautions are provided within the apparatus itself. So, we cannot get burnt with the heat. In my next video, I will explain to you the determination of flash and fire point using Cleveland open cup apparatus. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you have understood the closed cup apparatus well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like and share my videos. Keep watching my videos and bye-bye.